Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to learn about an incredible NFT project that actually some of their investors, they're going to in return 150 randomly people that actually invested in the NFTs, and they're going to give them back the money that they invested in their NFTs and still hold their NFTs. If you want to learn how to get the chance to do exactly that and get the money that you invested back, and also this project is going to be on the upcoming Metaverse. So if you want to take part of a project that is looking to evolve also in this part, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is IggyBoy? So IggyBoy actually is an incredible project, and it's actually a truly unique 3D NFT collection of 10,000 IggyBoy NFTs that are truly one of a kind, and each NFT is a unique piece of digital art that is manually created by 1ATH Studio talented 3D designers. Now they also have a utility NFT. As you can see in here, they have mass adoption of partnership, and they're shortly after the release of a few collections, the holders of the IggyBoy NFTs will be advantaged with benefits and upcoming gaming mass adoption projects with their gaming partners. So if you want to be part of that, make sure to follow them on their social media, on their Discord that has more than 59,000 members. That, as you can see, they have almost 2,000 people that are online. So you can see that it's a very engaging community, which is something that is very, very important when you're looking on a project and you want to see if they're looking for the long term. Now they also have Symbiosis NFT airdrop. So if you're interested to get things for free, make sure that you will check this website out that you can get by clicking the link down below, IggyBoy. Now they also have rarity explanations, and also they partner with incredible partners, and they also have a lot of press box. And as you can see, all the partners and press box in here, that they are well-known companies like Coin Market, Yahoo Money, Rarity Tools, and much more. And you can see that they were talked about in Yahoo Finance as well, and it's something that you should really consider when you're looking on an NFT project to see which partner and which press boxes they actually has, like who are talking about it. By the way, IggyBoy, you can also search a lot of videos about them on YouTube, and you will see a lot of YouTubers that are talking about them. Also, if you want to read about their team, you can see their LinkedIns, and you can do that by just getting to the website, as I said, by clicking the link down below. Now they also have a YouTube channel, a TikTok, an Instagram, Facebook. They also have a Reddit, and also, as I said, LinkedIn. So if you want to actually take part of this incredible project, make sure that you follow them on all of their social media to stay notified as fast as possible and to be the first one to hear about every airdrop and everything that you can actually take advantage and enjoy by being part of this incredible community. If you're interested to sign up, make sure to do that as fast as possible because the places are limited and they're ending rapidly, and their mint date is going to be on the 20th of February at 2 p.m. Eastern time. Their pre-sales price is going to be 0.055 Ethereum, and their public sale is going to be 0.088 Ethereum. So even if you will just want to look at the difference from the public sale, you will already potentially will make a profit. Now, by the way, something that is very important that you should know is that they are now running a massive cash and whitelist giveaways, and this is the only way that you can actually get their whitelist, which is filling up rapidly, although it was recently opened. So if you want to get things for free that hopefully in the future will also have value and will worth money, so make sure to go to their Twitter and actually get to the post of their giveaway and actually take part of this incredible Glen campaign. Now, what is the Glen campaign? So the Glen campaign, and you can see it also on their Twitter, is a $25,000 and whitelist giveaway with 2,000 limited whitelist spots. And actually the prize pool is that 150 IggyBoy's NFT price will be get cash back. So if you are one of the chosen ones and you paid for an NFT, you will get all of it back, but it doesn't mean that you will need to return the NFT. You will still hold the NFT, but you will actually get the price back that you paid. It's going to be 150 people that are randomly chosen of the buyers that will get the IggyBoy NFT price, will be of the cashback between 8.25 Ethereum to 13.2 Ethereum, which is incredible. It's going to be also a 5,000 USDT prize pool and 100 randomly chosen participants will get 50 USDT each. So if you like to get things for free and you're interested in this project, it's also a benefit that you can actually have potential to get gifts. And also 2,000 IggyBoy whitelist spots, and the first come, the first served. As fast as you will actually sign up, you will actually make sure that you will have a better chance to actually purchase, because the whitelist, it's limited, okay? And if you're a potential investor and you won't hurry up, make sure that you sign up as fast as possible. Now, in order to participate, all you need is to complete all the mandatory Glim tasks, which is really easy. Refer your friends to increase your chances, and complete additional tasks, and shield the Glim link daily to increase your chances even farther. Now, the more entries that you gain, the higher your chances to win. Now, in order to get whitelisted, all you need is to complete at least 7 actions and open a support ticket at Discord. Actually, you should send a screenshot of completing the actions that you need to do. And the winner announcements is going to be, actually the raffle will happen on the 21 of February at 2022 at 12 p.m. CET. And the winners will be announced within 48 hours. To claim the prize, you will need to open a support ticket and claim it within 48 hours after winning announcements. And the terms are that the winner must claim the prize within 48 hours on their Discord, and the NFT cashback winners must provide their wallets and proofs for the purchases of the NFTs. And the USDT will be paid to TRC20 wallets. So make sure that you're using wallets that using this network. When you're using your wallet, make sure that you're using real details. I don't believe I'm saying that, but I know I've seen a lot of people that just get very bummed out because they wanted to claim some rewards that they received. They couldn't because they didn't connect it to their Twitter and they didn't connect it to who they really are. So they had a lot of problems. So make sure that you're claiming who you are, because that way you will have higher chances that they will actually give it to you, you know, in order to enter. And as you can see that you can get a +1 is that you should follow them. Okay. You should follow on their Twitter. You should retweet, you should tweet, you should join their Discord. You can join their Telegram. And you can actually, after you complete the above interest, you will be able to see the 10 more entries and actually increase more your chances to actually win this incredible giveaways. Now, by the way, they are also running a BAYC whitelist campaign, and all of the BAYC owners can join their whitelist directly, just providing a proof that they actually own it. So as I said, make sure that you're actually providing the details of who you really are in order to claim it, because when you're an owner of an NFT, it's documented in the blockchain that you are the owner of the NFT. By the way, they also have a post on their Twitter about it. The Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT owners are eligible for the direct IggyBoy whitelisting limited slots that are available. So check out how you can actually ensure yourself a whitelist slot here by reading this article. Now, if you want to read this article, you should just click the link in here. Now, this article is very interesting, but the main concept is that the Bored Ape Yacht Club actually represent the most expensive NFT collection that is currently available, and the owners of the Bored Ape Yacht Club are offered direct spots on the IggyBoy whitelist. And that should give you an idea of the creative expertise behind this project and the potential the collection possessed. And fortunately, for non-holders of this extra exclusive Bored Ape NFTs, there are other ways that you can actually sneak into the whitelist of the IggyBoy NFTs. For starters, there are only 2,500 whitelist spots available, and as at the writing of this article, less than 1,000 are taken. So there's still time to get in there, but don't waste too much time, because you know there's a lot of times that people just, you know, they're just delaying the sign up for some reason, even though they want to sign up. So make sure that you do that as fast as possible, as I said, by clicking the link down below to get to their post. Now, some of the advantages that are actually conferred by being on this whitelist include a guaranteed opportunity to buy yourself some IggyBoys. The last thing that you want is that collection to end up and being sold out during the pre-sale, because as you know, the price on the pre-sale is going to be 0.055 Ethereum, and as opposed to the public sale that is going to be 0.088 Ethereum. So let's say that you want to buy more than one, so maybe with the same budget that you have, if you would buy in the pre-sale, you could buy, let's say 4, but in the specific budget, let's say that you have, you will be able to buy, let's say just 3 in the public sales. And it doesn't mean that if you bought it on the pre-sale, it will be worth less. On the public sale, it's going to be the price of 0.088 Ethereum. So make sure that if you want to purchase, you do your best to purchase it on the pre-sale in order to buy it in the best prices and hopefully make the most profit on it. Now, the whitelist spots will mean that you're being allowed to mint NFTs earlier than others during the pre-sale, and it increases the chances that you acquiring one of those NFTs with the oldest timestamps. And these particular Iggy Boys would make their holders eligible for the shareholdership made available by partners of the project. And this is just the beginning of this project. And by the way, there is a metaverse to be released with the storyline that points to the release of an Iggy Lady collection as well. So seeing as there are many other potential NFT characters that could be more expensive if the product matures, so you should be joining the bandwagon now. So if you're interested to actually get started with those NFTs, whether if you're on a high budget or a low budget, let's say that you're in a high budget and you want to purchase some Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs and you want to actually get the exclusive benefits, great. But if you're in a low budget, it doesn't mean that you cannot get started. Like, you can get into the pre-sale with a price of 0.055 Ethereum, which is great because it means that you can get into a project that has a lot of potential with a very low budget and risk very few in order to also get airdrops for free. So make sure that if you're interested, do that as fast as possible. Now, another incredible big step that the IggyBoy NFTs make is actually they're making a big step towards the metaverse. Yes, exactly. You can find an article on cryptonews.com and you will be able to actually see, as the metaverse gain momentum the start of 2022, more NFTs like IggyBoy are incorporating more utility and benefits into their NFTs. If you want to actually take part of a project that actually taking a big step towards the metaverse, make sure to go to the website and actually learn about it. Learn also about their utility NFTs in the age of the metaverse, and also learn about the uniqueness of this project, because there are a lot of NFT projects, of course, but the project that are unique and the project that are actually giveaway but also has a strong community and also doing a lot of marketing, it's a good sign that you're talking about a project that is looking for the long term. Like, the metaverse, as you all know, is just in the beginning. So a project that is looking to get into it is actually a project that is looking for the long term. And if you want to learn more about their project, as I said, make sure to go to their website and read about them. And also, if you have questions, make sure to ask them on their social media, or even click on here on the side and click on Let's Talk, and you will be able to actually email them and message them questions, and then you will be able to learn more about this incredible project and understand if this project might be the opportunity for you to get into the NFTs and hopefully make some money. So for summary, if you're interested in an incredible collection and to sign up to their whitelist, make sure to do that right now in order to enjoy all the benefits and also to have the chance to buy their NFTs in a pre-sale price instead of the public sale. Make sure that you also, if you're interested in this project, that you sign up to all of their social media and you sign up to all of their campaigns in order to enjoy hopefully the chance to get back the money that you invested in the NFTs, because they're going to choose 150 randomly. They're going to get back the price that they actually paid on the NFT, and they are going to still hold an NFT. So if you want to have the chance to get it, make sure to go to their website by clicking the link down below, IggyBoy. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.